This is going to be an unboxing and comparison video that's going to go down right now. My name is Vishant Dave, and this is
Brian.
And this video, we're going to do an actual unboxing video, show you guys what's in this box, and also we're going to do a comparison as well between two items. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so we have a brand new shoe here. I've actually had it for a little bit of time, but I have not opened it yet. But we're gonna let Rayan do the honors. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on.
Jordans.
Okay, so slowly.
These are heavy.
Okay, so let's read and describe what this shoe is. What is this shoe right here? What does it say?
Air Jordan 5 Retro OG.
Okay, so this is actually the Air Jordan 5 Reimagined. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out, show you the box. Let's go ahead and take it out, right? Nice and slow.
This one?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Gotta open it so they can see it.
This is it. This is the...
Can you describe it?
It's mostly black. It has the white laces. It has an air bubble, and it has this clear Nike tag, and it has this whatever this thing is called. And this is the bottom, and it has like a cover on the bottom.
So what's pretty cool also, if the white laces is the way that Jordan rocked them when he used them and played in them. They actually come with a pair of black laces. So if you're not digging the white laces, you can actually switch these out for the black laces. On the inside of the tongue, it actually says, I'll try to zoom in, it actually says Air Jordan upside down, which is pretty cool. You have the Nike Air at the back. This is the shoe. I think it's a very clean looking shoe. They haven't come out with this one in I think a couple of years. So to have this one come back out, I think it's very exciting. It's a nice colorway. I love that it's primarily black, so I can keep it as clean as possible. This is a size 10.5.
And it also is furry.
Oh, it's like smooth though, right?
And furry.
Yeah.
Like snuggly.
And I want to compare this one to this one, and let's see which one Rayan actually likes the best.
Oh. Yeah. Doggo.
So this is also a Jordan 5 Retro. So I'll give you this shoe so they're both looking the same. So tell me what are the differences, Rayan. What do you see? So look at this one on the inside of the tongue. This says?
Air Jordan.
This one says?
Air Jordan.
But one on this shoe, it's not upside down. On this one, it is upside down on the tongue. Not sure if you can see that or not. Also, look at the back. What does one say on it, and what does the other?
The new one that we got says Nike Air,
Uh-huh.
and then the old one that Daddy has the Jordan symbol.
So if you can see both of those on the back, you'll see the difference. Up front, there seems to be, it looks like this Retro 5 is a wider toe box than this one, and it also looks like it has a much larger, thicker tongue. You see how big this one is?
Yeah.
And then look at this one. Seems to be a little bit smaller, right? Look at the sides as well. Seems like this shoe from the back is much larger and bigger. Both have the Jordan logo on the tongue. Both have the shoelace cap. Which one do you like, Rand? If you get one, which one do you want?
Both.
What size shoe are you?
3.
And I'm a 10.5. So you got a couple of years still to grow. Which color do you like the best?
Out of what?
These two. Which color? Do you like the black with the white, or do you like this green or this blue teal with the black?
This one.
Okay. What about the bottoms? So this has the clear bottom where this does not. Both have a Jordan in the middle. The difference also on the bottom of this new Reimagined has the word Nike, whereas this Jordan Retro has the word Jordan on the bottom. So some slight differences actually in the shoes as well, but overall they still look very, very clean. I'm actually really digging these Reimagined. I'm gonna probably wear these very soon, and I really like them. Anything else about these that you like?
Yeah.
What's that?
This one has a white. This one has a clear or like silver one.
Mm-hmm.
tongue, and this has a blue one which matches. And this one has like a gray, this kind of the same color. And this one has a red, which is a different.
I would love to hear in the comments below.
Hey, what's
which
missing?
one do you actually prefer? Do you prefer this colorway on the 5, or do you prefer this colorway on the 5? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much, Rain, for your help. I appreciate it, and I'm sure at some point you'll be wearing one of these shoes. Hopefully you'll take care of them.